Today's August 31st, the last day of the month, and I just heard back from PCBWay.com that they finished assembling 3 pieces of Miuni32, and yeah, they attached a few photos, which I haven't seen yet, even myself. So let's take a look together. Alright, here we go. So there are 4 photos. Number 1. Ooh! Okay. Alright, what do I see? So we gotta take a real close look. Because right, so we got a bunch of RGBs, and I need to look at my design files to exactly check for the orientations of the RGBs, but everything else, the diodes look good. The USB port doesn't look like it was soldered from the top. Let's take a look at it from the bottom. Hopefully they included a bottom shot. No, they haven't soldered it at all. So I don't know what the heck is happening here. So if you look at it, yes, the solder is filled, but that's only for the housing of the USB port. The actual contact points are not soldered to the board at all. This is weird. Maybe they forgot to do this. Okay, so this is a bit of flake left over after they drilled through the PCB. So I think that's okay. So this is the other half of the board of the top. Bam! Zil PC and Big Tuna. Okay, the quality of the printing appears to be okay. I may have chosen a font face that is a little too bold, because that's supposed to be a star, not a big fat glob of square. Okay, the touch, the reset key looks okay. Way better than my manual soldering job for sure. Okay. Let's check out the last one. Okay, so that's again from the top. Yeah, I am concerned about the USB port. Everything else looks okay. Everything else looks okay. Alright. Mail time. Yeah, I'm not sure if it's something I messed up in my design file. I'm pretty sure I soldered. I mean, I connected the USB port. Yeah, I mean, it's like 95% done. It appeared to be done correctly, almost 100%, but without without the USB port, you know, this thing is not gonna work at all. Had it been a single diode soldered the wrong way, that would have been almost better than having USB port not soldered at all, because at this state I can't even test or plug the USB port and get the board recognized on my computer. So yeah, that has to be fixed. I think we're pretty close. Right now is only Thursday. They should be getting started with work in 8 hours or so coming Friday. So yeah, I think it may get shipped on the weekend, but we'll see.